Now that we cleaned up that dog hair, we're probably gonna have a little bit of dog hair in there. How long ago was it that you cleaned this filter last?
3 weeks.
3 weeks,
Yeah.
okay. And what happens when your filter gets clogged? Does your suction go down a little?
Yeah, it's less efficient.
Absolutely. Let's open that up real quick. Yeah, well, it's if the air filter on your car looked like that, would that be a good thing? Typically,
Yes.
if it can't breathe, then you're gonna lose suction. And I've seen some that we've opened that are filled with like leaves and hair and mud and everything. And you know, most of us detail guys, we don't tend to clean that stuff up until we can't pick up that French fry off the floor. And what we've got is a product called the Filter Guard. It's a pre-filter that fits on, so you'll clean your filter or put on a new one. You'll slide this on, put the drawstring up top. It's completely non-stick, and it will make sure that nothing gets in there and you don't lose any suction. Everything will hit that, it won't stick, it'll drop. And it makes a huge difference in how long that filter goes between cleanings, and you don't have to spend 30 bucks to buy a new filter.